Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set coordinates in the console in C program. So COORD is a structure to hold screen coordinates X and Y. Here we can see a Cartesian graph is given. So here are our coordinates. This point is 0. This is 0 and 0. This is 1 and 0, but this position is 1 and the position for y is 0 1 1 1, and this position is the values is -5 for y and -5 for x and +5 for y. The coordinates for this position is -5 5. Also, the coordinates for this position is here 2 from x and 1 2 3, -1 2 3, -3 for y axis. So the value for x axis is 2 and y is -3. Here the position is 2 -3. That's why we can find our coordinates. So to use the coordinates, the GetStdHandle function returns a handle to standard device, input, output, or error. A handle is an index in system table which gives access to the Windows kernel object. So I have already included windows.h header file and stdio.h header file. First I want to set the coordinates. So first I want to write a function, that is void go to x y, int x for x-axis, the value for x-axis, int y, value for y-axis. Here I have to declare the code structure CRD. Just onto the variable is CRD, code CRD. Now write CRD dot x, capital X, equal this x, int x, which value will be passed through function, and then CRD dot y, the value for y-axis is this y, that will be passed through the function. And then you have to write set console cursor position, then the parenthesis, and that is, then get std handle then inside this function the value will std, then the underscore output, and all are in capital, output, then underscore, then handle, and now write semicolon. So I just want to write something, print something that will be the set our position for cursor in our console. Printf think it is coordinates. something has been, oh sorry, I haven't insert the our this value, this variable, the COORD variable CRD has to be right inside the this function set console cursor position function. So that was the mistakes. So now print coordinates, that will be printed now. Here you can see coordinates has been printed from the left upper side, and I just want to print a the position is 0 0, this position 0, write x and y from this x-axis is like from left to right, and the axis for y is from up to down, from top to bottom of the console, top to down of the console, and the axis for x is from left to right. I just want to print the coordinates, not here. I just want to set the coordinates by calling the function go to xy. Go to xy, then the value is 100, and for x-axis the value is 100, and for y-axis the value is 50. It will set the coordinates. X is, the value for x-axis is 100 and the value for y-axis is the 50. Here you can see the coordinate has been printed here, not here. Again, I just want to decrease the value 10 or and 5. So 10 from left, 5 from up. That's our coordinates for the these coordinates that has been printed. I just want to change value here like A, B, C. Now watch, the coordinates is 2 and then 3. You can see ABC has been printed here, 2 from left and 3 from up. That's our coordinates for this. That's where we can set cursor position on the console. Thank you everyone.